Welcome back on this Thursday morning. So AC levels set at a high level for at least the first half of the day, extending into the afternoon. Then you'll notice less humid air move in this afternoon, so you might kind of crank it down just a little bit more and put it on low towards the evening hours, as it will feel a little bit better and less hot and sticky outside. This is why we have a cold front still to our north over Lake Superior. This is the front that is not really going to bring in a whole lot of cold weather or a lot of moisture, but it will bring in less humid air, so it won't be super sticky outside by tomorrow. Let's talk about those dew points then, since we're talking about the humidity and how sticky it is out there. Some low 60s still across the Great Lakes, to the mid 60s in some spots. This is what's going to happen by the afternoon with the passage of that front. See those numbers? They're dropping down into the 50s. This is 4:30 in the afternoon. That's the less humid air moving in out of the north and out of Canada. Feeling good for tomorrow as we kick off Friday morning with those dew points in the low to mid 50s. Here's your hour by hour for today as that front passes on through. We're expecting some sunshine today. Behind the front, winds become more north and northwesterly, a little bit breezy, speeds of 8 to near 15 miles per hour. And here's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Remember I told you that right along the cold front is where we could have the potential of those pop-up isolated thunder showers? Well, that likelihood is mainly for our southern and southeastern sections of the UP. So right along Lake Michigan. If you're along Lake Michigan, this is the area you kind of have to monitor early the afternoon, as we could have a few pop up. There's a better likelihood of those thunderstorms developing across the northern lower, though. So as that continues to track south, to see how that blossomed over parts of Lake Michigan, down into Wisconsin and into the lower peninsula. Otherwise, the remainder of the evening and overnight hours for us is quiet. The majority of Friday's quiet also. Some sunshine. Here's 5:30 in the afternoon. Wind flow out of the north. It'll be a light wind flow for Friday, and we'll kind of continue with that on Saturday, but with some warmer air. Today, ahead of that cool front, we're expecting temperatures for the most part to be into the 70s right along Lake Superior, a little farther inland into the lower 80s, areas across the interior section in the low to mid 80s. As we head towards the evening, quickly 8:30 into the lower 70s, so we drop off on that heat, feeling good. Lows tonight in the upper 50s. Tomorrow be a cooler day, as our northern areas near Lake Superior will be in the upper 60s, and look for the upper 70s along the Wisconsin state line into the south. Saturday will be a dry and a warmer day. Sunday is going to be more seasonal with some afternoon, late day thunder showers across the west, and then some rain continuing on Monday. Here's the system that we are expecting for the end of this weekend. This is Sunday, the majority of the day looking good. By mid-afternoon, some rain moving into the west end of the UP. This then is going to expand, becoming widespread as we head towards Sunday evening, continuing for Sunday night into Monday.